While many K-drama fans are familiar with popular genres like action, thriller, and romance, there's a lesser-known category that deserves just as much attention: legal K-dramas. These courtroom dramas are just as exciting as any other genre, with their thrilling plots, witty banter, and courtroom theatrics. These legal K-dramas will keep you on the edge of your seat, cheering for justice, and maybe even questioning your own career choices. Let's dive in. First up, we have Suspicious Partner. Brilliant prosecutor No Ji-wook, played by Ji Chang-wook, is known for his flawless reputation. But his career is put in jeopardy when he decides to defend Eun Bong-hee, played by Nam Ji-hyun, a rookie Justice Department intern who is always finding herself in awkward situations. When Bong-hee is wrongfully accused of murdering her ex-boyfriend, Ji-wook's decision to help her results in his own demotion. As their professional and personal lives become more intertwined, the stakes get higher. Together, they must unravel a web of deceit and catch the true culprit behind a series of murders before it's too late. Following that, we have Lawless Lawyer. Bong Sang-pil, played by Lee Joon-ki, a former gangster with a history of physical brawls and evading the law, turns to the legal profession after the tragic death of his mother. Driven by vengeance, he becomes a lawyer with a mission to challenge those who abuse their power and believe they are untouchable. Using his street-smart tactics and legal savvy, Sang-pil has built an impressive track record. Meanwhile, Ha Jae-yi, played by Seo Ye-ji, a passionate young lawyer whose belief in the sanctity of the law leads to a suspension after she strikes a judge, finds herself working for Sang-pil to repay her father's debts. Now together, they must solve a high-stakes case involving a powerful judge and a former gangster turned CEO, risking everything in their battle against the city's most influential figures. Next, we have Touch Your Heart. This legal backdrop adds depth to the romantic comedy elements, making it a unique blend of genres. The plot centers around Oh Yoon-seo, played by Yoon Na, a top actress who, after a scandal, takes on the role of a secretary to a perfectionist lawyer, Kwon Jung-rok, played by Lee Dong-wook, to prepare for a new drama. Throughout the series, viewers get a glimpse into the workings of the law firm, the cases they handle, and the dynamics between the lawyers and their clients. This legal backdrop adds depth to the romantic comedy elements, making it a unique blend of genres. Next, we're Juvenile Justice. Kim Hae-soo stars as Sim Eun-suk, a judge with a sharp personality and a deep-seated disdain for juvenile offenders, in Juvenile Justice. Assigned to a local juvenile court, Eun-suk grapples with her personal biases while upholding her strong convictions about justice and punishment. Defying convention, she implements unorthodox methods to address the crimes of young offenders. Each episode of this gripping drama keeps viewers on edge as Eun-suk tackles the complexities of justice, balancing her aversion with her commitment to reforming and punishing those who cross the line. Then comes Extraordinary Attorney Woo, is a legal drama that delves into themes of acceptance, diversity, and the challenges faced by individuals with autism. The series highlights the importance of understanding and embracing differences, showcasing Woo Young-woo's journey as she navigates her career and personal life. The story follows Woo Young-woo, played by Park Eun-bin, a brilliant young lawyer with autism. Despite her exceptional intelligence and photographic memory, her manner of communication is often perceived as odd and awkward by her neurotypical peers. Woo Young-woo graduates at the top of her class from Seoul National University, but struggles to find a job due to her condition. Eventually, she is hired by a major law firm in Seoul, where she begins to prove her capabilities and earn the respect of her colleagues. After that, we have Military Prosecutor Doberman, is a unique blend of genres, combining the intensity of military life with the intricacies of legal drama. The series explores themes of justice, revenge, and personal growth. It delves into the moral complexities faced by the characters as they navigate their roles as military prosecutors. The story follows Do Baeman, played by Ahn Bo-hyun, a military prosecutor who initially joined the military for personal gain and revenge. He is determined to retire as soon as possible, but his plans are disrupted when he meets Cha Woo-in, played by Jo Boa, a new military prosecutor from a wealthy family who is driven by her own desire for revenge. Together, they uncover corruption within the military and seek justice for those wronged. Following that, we have The Devil Judge is set in a dystopian South Korea where the judicial system has become a public spectacle. Kang Yo-han, a chief judge played by Ji Sung, turns court trials into a live reality show, allowing the public to participate in the justice process. Known as the Devil Judge, for his ruthless and unpredictable methods, Kang Yo-han aims to punish the corrupt and powerful. However, his true motives remain ambiguous, making him a controversial figure. The series delves into themes of justice, power, and morality, questioning whether the ends justify the means. The show also features Kim Ji-yeon, a young and idealistic judge played by Park Jin-young, who becomes entangled in Kang Yo-han's world. Young Sun-ah, a powerful woman with her own agenda, is played by Kim Min-young. Set in a dystopian South Korea, the series revolves around Kang Yo-han's controversial methods of conducting trials through a live courtroom show, exploring themes of justice, power, and corruption. Then, there's Law School. A chilling incident rocks a prestigious school, and the search for justice is put to the ultimate test under the scrutiny of a stern law professor and his driven students. Yong Jong-hoon, played by Kim Myung-min, a former elite prosecutor turned criminal law professor, is infamous for his harsh methods and exacting standards, making him both feared and respected. Among his students, Han Jun-wai, played by Kim Bum, a top first-year student, is known for his natural leadership and charm, but harbors a hidden side that complicates his perfect facade. Kang Sol-ae, played by Ryu Hae-young, also a first-year student, confronts the challenges of her past poverty and current feelings of inadequacy amidst her affluent peers, driven by a passion to prove herself. Meanwhile, Kim Eun-suk, played by Lee Young-eun, a seasoned civil law professor with a reputation for courtroom mastery and relatability, is Yong Jong-hoon's only confidant. Next, we have Vincenzo. At the age of 8, Park Joo-hyung, played by Song Joong-ki, was adopted and moved to Italy, where he grew up as Vincenzo Cassano and became a consigliere for a powerful mafia family. Now an adult, Vincenzo returns to South Korea amidst fierce mafia rivalries, crossing paths with the fiercely ambitious lawyer Hong Cha-young, played by John Yeo-bin, who will stop at nothing to win her cases. Now back in his homeland, Vincenzo uses his mafia skills to take on a powerful conglomerate, delivering his own brand of justice, and showing the corrupt elite what it means to face retribution. Together with Hong Cha-young, he sets out to deliver a taste of their own medicine to those who thought themselves invincible. Finally, we have Miss Night and Day. This drama perfectly combines romance, legal intrigue, and a touch of fantasy in an engaging storyline. Lee Mi-jin, played by Young Eun-ji, a weary job seeker frustrated by endless part-time jobs and years of job hunting, finds her life turned upside down when an accident causes her to age into her 50s. By day, she lives as a 50-year-old, but each night she magically reverts to her 20s. Unfazed by this bizarre twist of fate, Mi-jin seizes the opportunity to pursue her dream internship at the prosecution service, leveraging her dual-aged experience. Meanwhile, Gai Ji-woong, played by Choi Jin-hyuk, a sensitive and perfectionist prosecutor, finds himself reluctantly entangled with Mi-jin around the clock, leading to unexpected and intriguing interactions. And there you have it. Whether you're a fan of courtroom dramas, legal thrillers, or simply enjoy a good story, these K-dramas are sure to keep you entertained and engaged. Have a great day!